If you've got a Microsoft account, you are probably saving your files into OneDrive, and we're talking about sharing this week. I would like to show you how many different places you can find the share command through the web browser. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. And when I say all the options. I'm not kidding. There's quite a few to choose. So here I am on OneDrive through a web browser. Let's go and have a look. Option number one is I have got share on the ribbon at the top, which will share this folder. I can now select a file and share becomes share the individual file. As I hover over the file name, you can see I've got the little share icon, which is sort of the square with the arrow. So there's another one. I've got the three dots next to it, which gives me share as well. I can right click on the file name and I've got share there. And if I move myself out of the way, if I click info, which opens up the information panel, I have got another option for manage access, which will take me into the option and I can actually start sharing from here as well. So that is multiple options. I've got share on the ribbon, select the file. I've got my right click, the icon, the three dots, and info. So as you can see, Microsoft is very happy for you to share files rather than attaching them to an email these days. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help. And remember, if you'd like to be notified as additional videos are released, subscribe and click that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.